The Food Service Exchange presents.
Hi, I'm Bill Verity, president of Crown Verity, and today we're going to talk about our Crown Verity built-in grills. You'll see Crown Verity built-in grills in commercial applications such as resorts, golf courses, hotels. You'll also see them in residential homes and cottages. We have three sizes. We're looking at a 30-inch here. We have a 36-inch and a 48-inch. We have some unique installations where customers have actually banked two 30 inches or two 36 inches, so they'll have actually 60 or 72 inches of grill surface. So really you're limited by your imagination on the size of the built-in grills that we can do for you. We've got the 30-inch and we've got a simulated island here that we just built to give you an idea of how the units actually are built in. All our models have a large selection of options and accessories that are available. We have an adjustable bun rack for all our models. We have griddles that will fit in for all our models. We also have steam pan adapters to go in, a rotisserie. We have heavy-duty barbecue covers, a cover that'll go over and protect it from the elements. And we have stainless steel doors as a perfect option when you're custom designing and building your own island. Here I'm holding one of our horizontal stainless steel doors for our built-in grills. This is one of our most popular options for our built-ins. They physically can be installed directly underneath the built-in. It's limited to your imagination, so you can actually custom design your own outdoor island. These are again, a fantastic option. You can store all kinds of useful tools, pans, spices underneath your grill. I've got a vertical door in my hand here. These are a great option. It opens quite easily. If you want a left-hand hinge or a right-hand hinge, you just reverse it and you can have it opening left or right hinge, whichever you wish. This is an option that's going to give you your ultimate outdoor kitchen with the Crown Verity grill. Let me show you how to light our built-ins. Very, very easy. As with any barbecue, the first thing you always do is open up your lid. So we'll open that up. I happen to have a utility lighter here. So we have a port here to put the utility lighter in. So the first thing we do, we click and get the utility lighter going, and then we turn the pilot burner on. Always gas to flame. Once your pilot's going, then we can turn on whichever burner you wish. Very, very simple. Like all Crown Verity grills, our built-ins have a water pan for easy cleanup. Let's take a look. We can slide out our water pan. We always keep an inch and a half of water in here. It gives moisture to the food and it ensures that we won't have a grease fire. End of the day, drain it out into a pail of water, or you can remove the whole water pan and drain it out. All Crown Verity built-in grills are constructed of quality 304 number 4 finished stainless steel. Everything you see here is stainless steel, including the grates, and this is to ensure years and years of trouble-free operation, and they're just going to last a lifetime. You're going to be handing this down for generations. Let's take a look at some of our internal components. We're going to look at our stainless steel burners and our stainless steel radiants. I've got them right here. Stainless steel burner, 304 stainless, and a stainless steel radiant. And what we do, this goes inside. This particular model has 4 burners and 4 radiants. Quality stainless steel construction, built to last. When you're designing your ultimate outdoor kitchen using a Crown Verity built-in grill, please visit our website, crownverity.com, and this is going to give you your dimensions for your length, your depth, and your width. It will also give you dimensions for our built-in doors. You'll need these dimensions. Your contractor will want these. For the ultimate outdoor kitchen, Crown Verity built-ins.